This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Bellhaven model by Wetherington Homes and the Reserve at Cedar Point. Brand new homes tucked inside a beautifully established golf and country club community. Gorgeous homes offering plenty of flexibility for today's lifestyles. Spacious floor plan and curated designer options included. You'll enjoy how well appointed this home is. Inviting foyer and large dining room. Open kitchen west/butler's pantry, dining nook and bright living area facing rear yard. First floor office or bedroom. Owner's suite has a huge closet. Loft is a great bonus space. So many options available to make it your own. Completed homes available for quick close. January 6, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact